Welcome to CSEd Week, resources from the SMCOE. In this short video tutorial, we will be highlighting a resource from the San Mateo County Office of Education to help you bring computer science to your students. Today, we're going to focus on one of the SMCOE lending library resources, a LittleBits kit. Let's see what's inside. Here you can see our LittleBits kit. It comes with many different components for making simple projects or little robots. Each of the different components are color-coded. The blues are the power components, where you attach the batteries. The pinks are the input that sends signals to the next bit. The greens are the output. They do things like turn on fans or lights or make noise. And finally, the oranges are the wires to extend the reach of your circuit. There are also things like wheels and tools. Here are the power bits. You can turn them on, and you'll notice at the end of the power bit are 3 little magnets, and that's where it will connect to the next bit. So I can connect my input bit, this slide dimmer, and it has to be in the right direction. You can see the arrows. If you try to attach it the wrong way, the magnets repel and it will not attach. After our input, we can connect a green output. Again, it needs to be in the right direction, looking at the arrows. And then when we turn up our slide dimmer, it turns on our fan. LittleBits are super easy to make very quick projects and prototype, and you can switch them out very quickly. Again, there's the arrows to make the bit in the right direction. Here, our slide dimmer will allow us to get different bars on our little bar graph as they light up. The LittleBits kits also comes with some resources that are ready to go. There's Invent for Earth, which is a more open-ended project. There are the teacher's guides to help get you started with different project ideas. And there's also one of my favorite resources that's ready to be copied and used, LittleBits Mad Libs. LittleBits Mad Libs takes students through solving a problem using the different colored components. So they come up with a problem and solve it using the components. If you'd like to check out a kit or get more information, support, or resources around computer science education, please email Daron, Sarah, or Sandra, or visit our website at www.smcoe.org.